The world of smartphones is ever evolving, and every now and then a device emerges that captures the essence of innovation and design. In the case of the Realme GT5, it's not just another smartphone, it's a delightful combination of aesthetics, performance, and imaging capabilities. This video delves into the experience of using the Realme GT5, exploring its remarkable features, sleek design, and the way it seamlessly accompanies users in both work and play. This Osman and you are watching TechOpium. One of the most noticeable aspects of the Realme GT5 is its sleek design. The flowing silver mirror color scheme and futuristic back design create an eye-catching aesthetic that garners attention wherever you go. The seamless transition between the camera module and the back panel and the smooth middle frame coated with metal contribute to a tactile and visual delight. Holding the Realme GT5 in your hand feels not only elegant, but also comfortable. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Plus processor, the Realme GT5 delivers a performance that leaves no room for disappointment. It's a gaming powerhouse, offering seamless gameplay experiences. This phone is your trusty companion for business trips and professional endeavors, ensuring productivity on the go. The ultra-smooth transition area of the camera and the back panel, combined with a 1.5K T7 Plus screen dimming scheme, make for a device that excels in both aesthetics and performance. The Realme GT5 boasts an IMX890 main camera, known for its impressive photography capabilities. With intuitive street photography mode filters, capturing high-quality images is effortless. It supports 2x portrait mode for stunning portraits and near-lossless zooming capabilities. The new Awakening Halo is not just larger, but also packed with more features, including music-synced lighting. The Realme GT5 is truly a versatile device for both photography enthusiasts and those seeking top-notch performance. The Realme GT5's design is not just about appearances, it's also about the seamless user experience. Its high-resolution display, 27:7:21240, 144 Hz refresh rate, 93.7% screen-to-body ratio, and 1.07 billion colors, ensures a visually immersive experience. The dark green Star Mist Oasis color scheme and Miracle Glass design contribute to a feeling of understated luxury, which is rare among high-performance smartphones. The Realme GT5 represents the pinnacle of smartphone technology, combining remarkable features, powerful performance, a stunning display, and an impressive camera system. With its exquisite design, swift charging capabilities, and competitive pricing, it is a device that caters to the demands of modern smartphone users. The Realme GT5 is more than just a smartphone. It's a statement of excellence in the ever-evolving world of mobile technology.